بسم الله، الحمد لله، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. الطلبة الأعزاء، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، وأهلا ومرحبا بكم في هذا الجزء الثاني من المحور الثاني لمادة نظرية الآلات Theory of Machines. This part will focus on degree of freedom. We will start by degree of freedom's classification. Starting by rotational or pin, we have the two links here, the first and the second link, join it here. So if this link is fixed to the ground, this link will make rotation with theta or delta theta. So only 1 degree of freedom here is present. It is the angle. Second type is called slider or translation. This link is the slider. This link is fixed to the ground. So the joint between link 1 and link 2 is the surface contact. So the degree of freedom here is the translation or linear motion x or delta x. So degree of freedom is 1. Third type, link against plane. Here we have the plane, it is the ground, and here we have the link. This link can move linearly along delta x, or here as a rotation theta or delta theta. Then we find here 2 degrees of freedom, translation and rotation. For this type, pin in slot. This link is the ground. This link can make translation delta x or x, linear motion, and can make rotation around this axis of the pin, theta or delta theta. Then we find here 2 degrees of freedom, translation and rotation. Finally, we have a rolling cylinder. So this cylinder can make delta theta according to the plane fixed to the ground. So we have a pure roll. This is 1 degree of freedom, and we have pure slide x or y. This is also 1 degree of freedom. In total, we find 2 degrees of freedom, roll and slide. Order classification. This is the number of links joined minus 1. For a single join, we have here the joint between 2 links. The first one, link 1, it is the reference, the ground. The second one make delta theta as a degree of freedom, so the order is 1. And the number of degree of freedom, it is 1. For a multiple join, here we have link 1, link 2, and link 3. The first link is the ground, it is the reference. So the second and the third link can make, according to the join, delta theta 2 angle, motion angle for second link, and theta 3, this is the motion or rotational motion for the link number 3. So the order is 2. It is a joint, second order joint. So we have 2 joints, each with 1 degree of freedom.